Imagine one day you can confidently speak English in interviews, make friends globally, write professional emails, and express your thoughts clearly. Sounds powerful, right? But do you know, every great communicator starts with one thing: understanding language. Today we are starting the very first step of English communication. And trust me, this is going to be super interactive. So don't just watch, answer the questions with me. Ready? In this lesson, we are going to learn some very important topics. First, meaning of language. Then, purpose of language. We will also learn 4 language skills. After that, types of language. We will understand verbal and nonverbal language, spoken versus written English, and finally, formal versus informal English. Ready to start learning? Let's begin. First question for you: can humans communicate without language? Think about it. Maybe yes, maybe no. But language makes communication clear and meaningful. Language helps us express thoughts, feelings, questions, and information. Example: I am hungry. Simple sentence. But look how much information it gives. Feeling need message. That's the power of language. Fun fact: there are thousands of languages in the world. But English became important because it is widely used in business, technology, education, and the internet. Now let's understand why language exists. Language is not only for speaking. It has many purposes. Let's understand with real-life examples. Share information. The meeting starts at 5 p.m. You are giving information. Express feelings. I am happy today. You are expressing emotion. Ask questions. How are you? You want information from another person. Give commands. Open the door. You are instructing someone. Build relationships. Good morning. Nice to meet you. These small sentences build connections. Question for you: which sentence do you use most daily? Thank you. How are you? Good morning. Bye, sorry. Comment your answer. Now comes something very important. To become good in English, you need 4 language skills. Listening means understanding spoken language. Examples: watching lectures, listening to podcasts, hearing conversations. Speaking means expressing your thoughts using words. Examples: talking to friends, asking questions, giving presentations. Reading improves vocabulary and sentence understanding. Examples: newspapers, blogs, books, articles. Writing helps organize thoughts clearly. Examples: messages, emails, notes, comments. Today's challenge: write 1 English sentence in the comments. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice is more important than perfection. Now let's understand the 2 major types of language: verbal language and non-verbal language. Verbal language means communication using words. Non-verbal language means communication without using words. Let's understand them in detail. Verbal language means communication using words. It has 2 forms: spoken language, written language. When you talk using voice, that is spoken language. Examples: conversation, phone call, speech, classroom, discussion. When you communicate using writing, that is written language. Examples: books, emails, messages, articles. Now here's something interesting. You can communicate without words. Yes, that is called nonverbal language. Imagine this: smiling, happiness, thumbs up. Goody okay eye contact, confidence. Try this right now. Smile for 2 seconds. See? Without speaking, you already communicated something. Now let's learn about spoken language. Spoken language means communication using voice and speech. We use spoken language in daily conversations. Some common examples are conversation. phone calls, speeches, and classroom discussions. Whenever we speak and listen using our voice, that is called spoken language. Now let's understand written language. Written language means communication using written words. We use written language to share information through writing. Some common examples are books, emails, messages, and articles. Whenever we write and read words, that is called written language. What do you write most often? Messages? Emails? Or notes? One of the biggest mistakes beginners make? They use the same English everywhere. But English changes depending on situation. Now let's learn about formal English. Formal English means professional and polite communication. We use formal English in important and professional situations. Formal English is commonly used in offices, interviews, and emails. Some examples of formal English are, thank you. Good morning, sir. Formal English shows respect and professionalism. Can you think of a situation where you should speak formally? Now let's understand informal English. Informal English means casual and relaxed communication. We use informal English with people we know closely. It is commonly used with friends, family, and close people. Some examples of informal English are, thanks. Hey, bro. Informal English sounds friendly and natural. Who do you speak informally with the most? Congratulations! You completed the lesson on basics of English communication. Today, we learned about meaning of language, purpose of language, language skills, types of language, and formal and informal English. I hope you enjoyed this class and learned something new. Keep practicing English every day. And remember, small daily practice creates big improvement.